Hello, my name is Black Phoenix, aka King Phoenix, one of the mentors of the Big Brother Anonymous and the owner of Hog On Welding LLC. I wanted to present to you some independent welding classes. So if you are trying to gain you some welding certifications, if you want to see if welding is for you, or if you want to turn a trade into a business. Right now I have independent courses that I offer for $600 for 30-hour courses, but you don't have to worry about that right now. We have some people who are very interested in helping you gain your financial independence, gain a trade, be able to shift your life in a different direction. So if you're age 12 to 24 years old and you're thinking about gaining a physical trade, we actually have a few people who want to sponsor you. And if you're in the area of Columbus, Georgia or Atlanta, Georgia, in between, and you can make it to the Black House, the Legacy Center owned by Jay Morrison and the rest of the community, then we can be able to help you out at the Big Brother Anonymous. We're trying to get some things together. So if you're looking to get funded, if you're looking to gain a trade, we're trying to get things in line now, but I wanted to give a heads up to those who need some funding. So on my website, you can visit it, www.hogonwelding.com. That's www.hogonwelding.com. You can see the type of courses that we offer. 4 different processes, family. 4 different processes: TIG welding, stick welding, MIG welding, and flux core welding. So if that's you and you want to gain your financial independence, if you want to turn a trade into a business, if you want to learn a hands-on physical trade by a master, someone who's been in the field networking for a while now. I have over 20 years experience, and surely I can help you gain your independence. So if that's you, make sure you visit the website at www.hogonwelding.com. That's www.hogonwelding.com. Hog on.